Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert emojis to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see, we have inserted some cash or money emoji to this project management table cell. We have added some emojis here, like you can see here. So how you can do this, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is on the menu bar click on insert, and from the drop down you're going to see emoji, and if you click on that you're going to be able to choose from a ton of thousands of emojis, as you can see here. And once you have inserted an emoji to a Google Sheets, you can just copy paste it to whichever cell you want. So now this is how to insert an emoji or multiple emojis to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.